All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a 01 EDC 01 slider here with me for a review, guys. And as usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Check out Fablades.com, see if this guy is still available. Yes, because this is a limited edition. There's only 99 made of this guy, and it's already become one of my favorite sliders. And I'll show you in a second why. This comes with a classic Lauti box with this over box kind of thing, and the actual box with a little envelope here containing, in this case, just one sticker, but it's fine. And you get, of course, your toy inside, which is very, very, very interesting, guys. Look at that. So we're gonna check measurements right away and see how heavy is this fella. This is the zirconium and brass edition, which is gonna be 84.2 grams in your pocket, so not like super lightweight. 45 millimeters for the length and 25 millimeters for the width, and 13.8 millimeters, sorry, for the thickness of this slider. So materials employed here are pretty cool because you get some polished zirconium for the two main slabs. You get some blasted zirc for the inlays of the bear on this side and for their logo on the other side. And in the middle you get a slab of brass, and here you get the numbering. So in this case you have the 94th of 100 made of these guys, so it's a limited edition. So once this is gone, it's gone. You cannot find it anymore. So the first one that comes to mind to make a quick comparison would be this fella, right? Because yeah, another one that would normally come to mind would be this guy, right? So I'm just gonna show you a couple sliders here on the table so you have a nice panel of what these sliders are about. For the size, I'm just gonna show you like these, right? Just 9, so we have a nice picture right there. Which slider you wanna see? Let's show you this fella. So here you have 9 of the probably most popular sliders around, and you get to see this size. So this is like pretty the smallish size, because you see like these two guys, of course, are pretty wide. These are pretty chunky. This is the classic, one of my favorite sliders, of course, and this is a nice one, but these two are like very, very similar. So I'm going to do a separate video on these two, but yeah, you get the idea for this size. But here you get the idea of this kind of slider with a core and 2 sliding parts on both sides. So as you can see, this slides on either sides and just locks in place. It doesn't go further. You have this clicking ability, which is kind of lost when you have the toy closed, but when it's open, you can click it away because this just lifts and it's kind of pivoting on this side, all right? And also on that side. So clicking ability on one side and on the other side, only when it's open. When it's closed, you just gotta slide it up and down, and it works in both sides. The inlay here has some nice grip. Oh, look at this. You can even do this. And here, tick. The two sides, they have some nice and grippy texture going on the blasted zirc inlay. So that's gonna give you some nice traction when you just slide it, right? And you can, look at this. You can just hold it with your back, with the back of the finger, and then boom, have this guy click inside. So from a look perspective, this is very reminiscent of the CP3 from Maki. It's a little bit different in the guts, but the idea is very, very similar, like a soap bar kind of overall shape. I like the fact that all the internal structure just stays there. I really like that. It feels super fidgety in the hand, very nice to play with. It has become one of my favorite sliders actually, because there's like, you can slide it regardless of the side, so up and down. You can do, of course, like a quiet play, or you can be just loud. So the feel also, the magnets are strong. So if you apply pressure and you do this, it's very pleasant. So I like it. In the hand, has a very good recoil kind of feeling. When you just push it down, you have a nice sensation in your hand, and combined to the sound, combined to the look and to this touch, this guy is a winner. I really like it. It's chunkier than the CP3, but I have to say I like it more because there's more intricate work, especially having two-tone zirconium plates is fantastic. Like having like a zirc inlay on the zirc plate, yeah, sign me up. Have the finish is very good. The fact that you have a clicker when it's open, it's also nice. It's an added feature, and everything's like staying inside nice and compact when it's closed. Yeah, it's another bonus, and pretty slick one, 100%. If you are interested in this guy, you can check fablades.com and see if there's any available there. And if you want, you can leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this fella. And as usual, thanks for watching and stay tuned.